Hi, please mention. Supplemental list, item number 1.
Here the petition being completed under P02 is the position of court, madam. Have you got the? No, there is no deposition. The learning counsel for the appellant shall supply the deposition for proof of the witnesses to the learning counsel for the state. That will be placed for orders after ensuing puja. The state may be the court may be directed to serve the copy. Deposition. Let him collect from the. You are not having the copy of not places. Yeah, otherwise this soft copy of maybe pen drive. Yeah, next.
Item 2.
May put.
What's your deposition copy?
I have applied. The present accused persons may place the interim application of the Dulli alias Meena Singh. Dulli alias Meena Singh.
What is that?
Sita Singh alias Dulli alias Dula Singh. I for bail.
Which I?
274.
272. 274. Conviction under 302.
Number 302.
No. You will do 1 and 4 or 2 I would take.
302 34 of IPC. All the convicts to undergo imprisonment for life.
Wait. So this appeal has been filed by whom?
Both all the applicants.
Both Sita.
Three.
Minukithan Sita.
What is your submission?
My submission is to move the only application of petition number 1.
Appellant number 1, Sita Singh.
Sita Singh.
But the eyewitness indicates that that Sita Singh caught hold of the hands of the deceased from that side, and then the two accused persons, Meena alias Miniketan Singh and Janda alias Budhiram Singh,
Pressed
they pressed the neck of the father by means of a belt, and when the tongue of my father came out, then accused severed his tongue by means of kitchen knife. This is the evidence. It's not that you have not participated.
My lord.
So my bail will be granted to you.
My lord. And is a lady having 3 numbers of the minor girl child and having a mod house that has been cleared away in the now the cyclone.
With this PW1, who else you say?
PW4 man.
Dr. White.
got hold of the hands.
Who was the FIR?
PW4 my lord, Minnati Singh, the wife of the deceased.
The complete FIR is not here. এটি আছে কি দেখি এখন ওটা পড়ে গিয়েছিল এখন পেপারটা দিও না আরে তাঙ্কুটা না তো পেপারলেস পেপার This trial court record has been sent এই type of format ଅଛି trial court record FIR ଏମିତି ଅଛି trial who is the doctor who conducted PM?
Nine. PW9.
Doctor मतलब period 9.
Nine.
What ground you have, special ground you have taken that in a 2025, because whatever you are stating, 3 children, this, that is not stated anywhere in the petition. And this petition has been filed for all the accused persons. You are not filing this application only for Sita Singh. If you are claiming bail on the ground that she's a lady, she has this difficulty, she has children, all these things, that should be highlighted in the what you have written in the bail application.
You bring some material.
By file another.
IA number 274 of 2025. The bail application has been filed by all the appellants. The learned counsel for the appellant seeks permission of this court to not face this application, to file a better application for bail only for appellant number 1, Sita Singh alias Swanso. Stop. On perusal of the soft copy of the trial court record sent by the trial court, sent by K. Potuji, record K. Potuji. Trial court Potuji na registered Potuji, civil court.
Scanning kiya go to.
Appears that the first information report, which is available on record, is not a complete one.
Next all of us is
The तालुका also scan.
contain also the question.
If that she paste the other
Please
part
love Mean he is done.
party husi party है party husi to first page जो करते हो तालुका also.
ठीक है।
Share this writing. Paste हमने खाई थी. Let's go the sterilization final over there.
Item 3.
There is no copy of deposition.
There
is no copy of deposition.
Already filed within the first.
Already filed before whom?
Within the brief. Appeal government. Appeal signed on the.
Nice.
It's not supplied. Yes, sir.
My lord, filed with appeal, my lord. All the
The
record.
council, the Land and State Council submits that that is not available. Is it available?
No.
The Land and Council for the state submits that the deposition copies are not supplied to him. Let the Land Council for the appellant supply the deposition copy to the Land Council for the state. ନିଜ advocates clerk କୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଦେଇଥିବ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେଲି ବୋଲି ବୁଝିଲେ? Yes, next.
Item 4.
Please. In this case, my lord, the thing that a copy not served the state council. Then, my lord, I have obtained a certified copy up to one scheduled total 48 witnesses. 27 witnesses, 28 witnesses I have obtained certified copy. The rest of them permitted to obtain from the PCR. My lord.
How many witnesses are
48 witnesses.
there? The impugned judgment indicates that 46 witnesses were examined in the trial court. Mr. B.K. Roger, Land Council for the appellant, submits that he is having the certified copy of the position of PW 1 TO2 28. Since he is not having the deposition copies of the rest of the witnesses, the same may be supplied to him from the soft copy of the trial court record in his pen drive. Are you having those copies?
I will also collect.
The Land Council for the state also makes a similar prayer to collect the deposition copies of all the witnesses. Or only you want from
All.
all?
I am also looking for the information.
Mine may collect.
May I also the soft copies of the
The
TCR?
Land and Council for the informant also makes similar prayer. Let the deposition copies of the witnesses be supplied to the Land Council for the appellant, state as well as the informant.
Instead of 46, 48, my lord.
My lord,
Total
48.
48.
46 or 80?
No, the page, my lord, 94 judgment, right? 48.
48.
40.
আপনার পূজা হবে আজই নেই যাবে পেন ড্রাইভে
Item 5.
Please, my
I also say, if deposition not there, I may permit it to.
the deposition copies be supplied to the Land Council for the state in his pen drive. Yes.
Item 6.
Let's see, I will DC receive deposition copy. And with election, I have supplied, I will supply.
Nine. Deposition copies to be collected by the Land Council for the state in his pen drive. The soft copy. Yes, next.
Item 7.
Item 7, given to Mr. Das, my lord. On the last occasion, delay was funded, my lord, and admit call for the TCR report, my lord. But one I is pending stay relation of find
State relation of kind of allowed.
2539. I know.
बाकी जो डिपोजिशन कॉपी जेमती कराई अदर सप्लाई करियो
In course of the matter.
नेक्स्ट बाकी जो for consideration of the bail application after puja holiday date for the week commencing from sponsor. Yes, next.
Item 8.
Please.
Yes.
No. This is a fact is one.
Yeah. Take custody.
11 months. 11 years.
11 years, 12 years, 11 months.
12 years, 11 months.
Single mother.
Madam. The only suspect of the wife, only suspect of the, she is in illicit relationship to another person.
Your husband has
the husband
murdered his
has-
wife.
Dangia, blow.
Circumstantial evidence.
Circumstantial evidence.
Madam, kindly see,
IA number 305 of 2025 is an application for the Land Council for the petitioner submit that the petitioner is in judicial custody for more than 12 years. The learning council for the state has produced the written instruction received from Superintendent Special Jail Rahul Kalam, which also indicates the custody period to be 12 years, 11 months without remission. The land council for the petitioner further submits that the case is based on circumstantial evidence and there is no chance of early hearing of the appeal in the near future. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. In the report furnished by Sahoo Hon'Ble, submits that petitioner is aged about 61 years and is getting treatment for his mental disorder as per the advice of the psychiatrist DMHP Sundargarh. And is having hypertension and unspecified psychosis, bracket labeled F29. And he is taking medication regularly. The report is taken on record considering the submission, nature of evidence available, fear of detention in judicial custody, absence of any chance of early hearing. We are inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Accordingly communicated. Yes, next.
Item 9.
Application is not filing a IA for interim order, Lord. Last year, your lawsuit directed from the State Council of
So that's not condition.
No?
Health condition of mother.
Lord, health condition of mother and one missing report of his daughter. His 14-year-old daughter is missing, Lordship. So his wife, Lordship, lost the affair and his daughter is recovered now. But villagers are going to marriage forcibly, Lordship. It is 38-year-old man. That's why, Lordship, petitioner filed on IA, Lordship.
No, that's all right, but you are annexing any medical document?
Lordship, his mother condition is severely ill, Lordship.
Who?
Lordship is a EA patient, Lordship. Cancer patient, Lordship. Honorable Chief Justice also constitute a medical team. That medical team inspect that report, Lordship. Running page 269, Lordship. The CDMO report as to
269.
running page. The
269 of our costume.
And we are already
Cirrhosis of liver.
Lordship.
Also. Report to SC Medical College for further investigation, better management. Reproduction. This was an old report, 2021.
Lordship. After that, his one operation is conducted. Now,
No, now the latest, the medical certificate which you have annexed
Lordship,
is 20 of 25, May 25.
Lordship.
Supposed to verify.
Lordship.
Have you verified?
I'm not verifying. You know that in many cases also post medical certificates are also being filed. And we have also found out some cases, not only SCB Medical College Ramadan. So that is why we are granting. And if you mention that in spite of giving repeated adjournments, you are not obtaining, so we'll grant bail. Tomorrow, suppose you get the instruction that this is a forced document.
That's right.
Oh, why are you not getting the instruction?
But I have not been sure.
I already saw Lordship. On first day, Lordship.
आइए अपना ऑर्डर पास कीजिए देखिए ऑर्डर 99 रे ऑर्डर पास है आईए नंबर 1866 आज ही मुझे आस्ती सेटा Land Council for the so-and-so files the surrender certificate which is taken on record. Application for interim bail on the ground of health condition of the mother stated to be suffering from the so-and-so and ailment of the daughter and medical documents have been annexed. And he has granted bail, extended so on so. Let the London Council for the State obtain instruction on the interim application and authenticity ର clear order ଅଛି ଆଜି କି ରଖା ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ 19/9 କଟକ ରୁ ଆପଣ instruction ଆଣିପାରିବେନି
Send the letter.
You have sent the letter.
Letter 20 September 2025, send the letter.
Subject to verification.
ତ ଇଏ ପରେ ରଖିଲ ରଖିବ
What is her condition is
Lordship, high.
now stable or
No, Lordship required operation immediately, Lordship. It's already 3 months lapses within period, Lordship.
ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ମେ ମାସର ଇଏ
Lordship, already 3 months lapses.
corrupt issue there?
Let me give you 2 express that IA number so and so. This is an application for bail, interim bail, on the ground of health condition of the mother of the appellant, who is stated to be suffering from liver cancer, and also the ailment of the daughter. Medical documents have been annexed to the interim application. Then the matter was taken up on 19/9/2025. We specifically asked the Land Council for the state to obtain instruction on the interim application. So also the authenticity of the document. Land Council for the state submits that though intimation has been sent to which police station?
Telkoi.
Telkoi police station to obtain instruction. But no such instruction has been received. It further appears that previously ସେଟା କେତେବେଳେ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ହେଇଥିଲା ପେଜ 200 କେତେ
269, Lordship.
269.
269 running page, Lordship.
It further appears that previously a report was submitted by the Chief District Medical and Public Health Officer Keonjhar as per the order of this court, which also shows that the mother of the petitioner was suffering from cirrhosis of liver with suspected malignancy, and she was referred to SC Medical College Hospital for further investigation and better management. And the copy of the medical board has been annexed to such report. The report which has been filed with this interim application is of is of Acharya Harihar Postgraduate Institute of Cancer, 15 dated 15/5/2025. The authenticity could have been verified well from the concerned hospital immediately if appropriate instruction could have been given. However, it has been sent to the IIC of Telkoi police station. Stop. Be that as it may, since earlier the petitioner was granted interim bail and there is no allegation of misutilization of liberty, and taking into account the averments made in the interim application and the medical documents, खाली medical document जो पाइजन केवल मांग कर तो
आगे Lordship.
Your देह खराब नहीं, she missing.
अच्छा
Your देह खराब नहीं, she missing report is filed in Annex 2. गलत लिखा है.
अच्छा the medical document
The daughter
and the daughter का काटी दे
daughter is missing.
and the daughter is missing कर दे ना
For that an FIR was lost.
for which one first information report was lost. Considering the submission made by this one, so since the Land Council for the state is unable to produce the instruction as per the order dated so on, so we are inclined to release the petitioner interim bail for a period of 2 weeks. Matter to be placed on such and such date, he will file the surrender certificate. Yes, next.
Item 10,
So I don't think the last occasion call for the report, conduct report and custody certification.
You are granted interim bail thrice.
Nice, ma'am.
Once for 8 weeks, second time for 8 weeks, and third for 3 months. So how many years you have remained in custody?
Total, my lord, he was custody since 11 year, my lord. If we excluded that interim bail period, 7 months. Is 10 year, 3 to 4 months, ma'am. He was inside custody.
Excluding your the new cases, rape cases. Are the land counsel for the petitioner, land counsel for the state? The what of our government? The land counsel for the state has produced the written instruction received from Superintendent Sub-Jail Rayagada, dated 21/9/2025, along with the custody certificate of the petitioner to show that the petitioner is in judicial custody for more than 10 years. The custody certificate, the report taken on record. It is the submission of the land counsel for the petitioner that thrice the petitioner was granted bail earlier. That is by the order dated 13/7/23 for a period of 8 weeks, by the order dated 15/3/24 for a period of another 8 weeks, and by the order dated 28/20/24 for a period of 3 months. And after availing the interim bail period, he surrendered at right time. So the land counsel for the state was asked to produce the conduct certificate of the petitioner while on interim bail. You are not having that conduct certificate. এটা যে লোকাল আইআইসি তো আଣିବ ନା ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି ରଘୁଛନ୍ତି
এটা ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
20/8/2000 during the interim bail period. The report is taken on record considering the submission period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody. Hence, there is no allegation of misutilization of liberty by the petitioner while on interim bail. We are inclined to release him on interim bail for 3 months. Yes, next.
Item 11.
Old man of 67 years inside custody for more than 8 years, 10 months. Last occasion, he called for custody certificate. I have also obtained it.
8 years, 10 months. Report dated. Your bail application was earlier rejected.
No,
on merit.
no, it was rejected. Subject.
my lord 29/1/2021 that was rejected. There are 5 eyewitnesses there. 1, 4, 6, 7, and 12.
Court my lord has in fact relied upon the evidence
So
of
we are of the opinion that there is best chance of the appeal being allowed in this case. Therefore, we are not inclined. At the stage of bail, they are considering merit and they are also making observation. कौन हला?
Earlier that was rejected on 29/1/2021. The 4 eyewitnesses were.
No, what about this? How many murders have been taking place?
one.
One. Why Letty case will not be applicable here? He has remained in custody for during pendency of the appeal 3 years. ସେ କହୁଥିଲା ନା pendency of the appeal is 3 years ହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ 3 ମାସ ଦିଆଯିବ ତାପରେ ଯଦି conduct ଠିକ ରହିବ ତାପରେ so spreading ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ land council for the state has produced the petitioner has produced the custody certificate issued by
No,
superintendent
They are
କିଏଟା
produced.
ପରା ଦେଇ
We are not open custody.
no
they
no
are-
କହୁଛି ପରା petitioner obtain କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ they can obtain
My
because
lord, yes,
that
my lord.
anybody now we have also
Accepted.
asked you to upload it in this so that this delay will be curtailed.
My lord.
Superintendent, model convict prison Atgad, which shows that the appellant is in judicial custody for Ajan Parjantu 3/9/2025. It is 8 years, 10 months. The custody certificate is taken on record. Land counsel for the petitioner submits that earlier the petitioner bail application was rejected by the order dated 29/1/2021. However, since there is no chance of early hearing of the appeal in the near future, keeping in view the principle laid down in the case of Letty versus Swanson, he may be granted interim bail. Land counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail. After say principle period of detention for 3 months bail grant for the years. Next.
Item 12.
That we have filed an application for interim bail. That is a highway number 2493 of.
For what?
2020.
Why?
Election on the ground of illness of the father election.
Illness of the father.
Yes, it.
What instruction you have received?
Cardiovascular complication.
Yes, Your Lordship. Earlier we had suffered an heart attack, Your Lordship, but there is now.
Land counsel for the state has received the copy of the interim application and submits that the matter may be taken up day after tomorrow to obtain instruction.
Have you got it or not?
Yes, my lord, got it, but that is the.
They had, is it-
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କଣ କି ହାର୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ବାପାଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରିମ୍ ବେଲେ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି। Inquiry was conducted regarding the genuineness of the medical documents produced by the petitioner, so and so. Whether the prescription is genuine, yes, the prescription was verified, found to be genuine. Whether the presence of the so and so is necessary, the undersigned expressed no opinion. Whether the treatment so and so suggests acute cardiovascular complication or not. The OPD card number so and so indicates that the patient Shivaji Mongraj was examined by visiting cardiologist Dr. so and so, who referred him to SC Medical College due to non-availability of adequate facility. And Kyungjar head of Chari Nore, Tangu refer age. Further, the inquiry revealed that the petitioner's father, so and so, along with his wife, he has 2 sons, so and so. During inquiry, both wife found residing in the house, his wife and so is attending to the medical needs. No adverse or critical medical conditions so and so was noticed during inquiry. So the advice was given on 4th
My lord.
to take him to SCV,
SCV,
but nobody is taking him. They are in the hospital, the house. IA number so and so, there is an application for interim there on the ground of ailment of the father of the petitioner, who is stated to be suffering from cardiovascular complications. medical documents have been annexed to the interim application. We asked the land council for the state to obtain instruction on the interim application. Today, the land council for the state has produced written instruction dated 23/9/2025 received from IIC Town Police Station, Keonjhar, which shows that the medical documents which are annexed to the interim applications are genuine. And the father of the petitioner was examined by the cardiologist on 4/9/2025, and he was referred he was referred to SCVMCH Cuttack due to non-availability of adequate facilities at Keonjhar Hospital. However, the father of the petitioner and was found in the house, and his wife is attending to his medical needs. In view of such report furnished by the land council for the state, we are inclined to release the petitioner on interim basis. Medical College, Dr. For a period of 2 months. This is to cannot be helped. 8 weeks of progress or under certificate 5 days. They must follow. No? Wish you all happy Durga Puja.